Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on num-look in laptops using Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to turn on num-look in laptops using Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First, click on Start. Now scroll down. Click on Windows Ease of Access. After click on screen keyboard. Other way, click on Start. Type here on screen keyboard. Open on screen keyboard. And if you want to turn on num-look in laptops using Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First click on options and check this box. Turn on numeric keypad. So check this box. After click on OK. That's So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn on num-look in laptops using Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching this video.